We are on deck 11, and to come to 11203, you come all the way to the end of the hallway, and we have our own little hallway here because our room is the only room in this little hallway. And look, there's Chet from Sea Life Journeys. So there's no automatic door opening for the wheelchair, so you just have to struggle with the door on your own, as he's going to demonstrate. But there is this lower peeky hole for the wheelchair. So this room has this weird pole right in the doorway. You can still come in the room with plenty of room. Chet, that fit through there just fine. Oh, look. Do you love the pole? Okay, so there's the little couch with the beach towels. That's a pretty big couch, and that actually folds out into a bed for another guest. It's got a coffee table. So here's the bed. We did the king side bed with the two beds pushed together. There is a lamp and a cabinet on this side of the bed. Your emergency pull cables, one on each side of the bed. If the beds were apart, it would be one for each bed. And a table and lamp on this side as well. So it's actually a really big room. You can see Chet's way over there. Now, it is a double-side approach. You can still get the wheelchair on this side of the bed, as well as you have all the room on the other side. The great thing is this little corner right here, you can put your luggage there, which I love having that little secret corner. So then we've got the closet. Ooh, Cloud9 spa robes and slippers. And of course the lower one and the upper one for the handicapped people. The drawer, the shelf can fold up if you need a longer space to you just want the one space. There goes a window, people walking by the window. And 3 drawers, a safe, and 3 shelves. The view outside the window. That's that little wraparound balcony for the people that are up here in this area. No chairs to sit on though. Then we have the cooler, not a refrigerator. It is a cooler, not a oh no, it is to a refrigerator. It's cold. I stand corrected. That in fact is a refrigerator. Then we have the hair dryer. Little teeny tiny TV. These are the only plugs in the room. There's 2 USB and 2 regulars, and if the beds were apart, there's probably a plug between the beds because those lamps are plugged in.
If you bring your adapter, there is one behind the
Kleenex box. Yeah, and then the adapter. So, tip for you here. The drink package on Carnival is so expensive. We bought the bottle of coconut rum, which I love the fact that it is a collectible bottle. And because we're platinum, we have the 2 free bottles of water, one for each of us because we're platinum. And then we purchased the 6-pack of Coke. We also purchased, these are those the 2 that I purchased? And these are the 2 we get for free? Okay, so that's what it is. We purchased those 2, but we're supposed to get 1 bottle each free because we're platinum. So that, and then we brought the ginger ale with us. You can bring a 12-pack of soda with you. It must be in cans. And I saw one gentleman rolling by us with a 24-pack of bottled water on his lap, and they took it from him before he boarded the ship. So you cannot bring bottles. You can bring 2 bottles of wine, though. You cannot bring bottled water. Place to hang your towel. Bathroom is fully handicap accessible with bars and shower bench. And the shower is on a slide. You can pull that down so that it's closer to you. And then there is the sink, which is lower for the handicapped person, as well as the mirror that is adjustable for the handicapped person. Okay, so
right here. This soap right here is Elements Products.
Oh, that's because we're in Cloud 9 Spa.
Because this is a spa cabin. We also have access to the thalassotherapy pool, the hot stone beds, and everything down there in the spa at no extra cost.
At no extra cost. So, my room key. Do you have my room key? You open the door with it. Well, we're videoing. I'm going to take you around the corner and show you where the Cloud 9 Spa entrance is. So we're going to leave our room. And right there where it says Cloud 9 Spa, we're going to walk around the pretty wall, down this little hall. And there is the staircase to the spa.
Thanks for joining us today on this tour of Cloud 9 Spa Cabin 11203 on the Carnival Horizon. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.